So we're going to try to memorize the numbers down this blue diagonal. Okay, let's take a closer look at them. There's 1 times 1. There's 2 times 2. 3 times 3. Well, looks like it's numbers times themselves. There's 4 times 4. 5 times 5. 6 times 6. You know, these numbers are called square numbers. 7 times 7, 8 times 8, and 9 times 9. They're called square numbers because they can be arranged into squares. Now, some of you may ask, what's a square? Well, it's a four-sided figure where all the sides are the same length and all the corners look the same. That's a square. So if we have a square that's 1 on a side, we call that the 1 times 1 square. And there's 1 square. If we have 2 on a side, we call that the 2 times 2 square. And notice it has 2 times 2 squares in it. If we have 3 on a side, then that's a 3 by 3 square, and it has 3 times 3 squares. And so on. 4 times 4 squares, 5 times 5 squares, and so on. Now, to help you remember these numbers, let's call on the famous Elephant Square Dance Band. Benny on banjo, Donnie on drums, Guido on guitar, Philly on fiddle, Barney on bass, and, oh, sorry Tallulah, there's no tuba in a square dance band. Okay, let's get started.